VIP.
Welcome back to a new vlog. It is the weekend. Okay, it's not actually the weekend, but today it is Tuesday. Initially this vlog was started on a Saturday. Actually, it was supposed to be a weekend vlog, but yeah, I have this habit of starting my vlogs and then deleting my clips mid vlogging. I don't know, I would plan on what to vlog, and then after I've filmed that specific part, and then I review it and see like how it looks, and then I suddenly like get this urge to delete my clips. I don't know what's wrong, but this is something that happens so often. So basically you guys are gonna spend the weekend with me. I'm basically gonna be redoing things that I did throughout the weekend. So this includes baking. I wanna learn how to bake banana bread. We have some overly ripe bananas, so we're gonna use that. And then also I need to clean my space. I did laundry and everything is just everywhere, so I just need to fold my clothes. And then also there's this certain type of hairstyle I want to film for TikTok, so I might insert the clip here with the TikTok ratio. I don't know how this is going to work, but that's the best I can do so far. And then also I'm just gonna apply nail polish to my nails, guys. These are my nails, you see, these are my nails, and they need to be cut. Like you can see here, like they need to be cut, and I don't want to cut them, reason being that this used to be the average length of my nails. Like if my nails are cut, this used to be the original length. I then fell into the peer pressure of biting your nails, you know, yeah, of eating your nails, and then ever since then my nails became way too shorter, like they're here now. So I've been slowly trying to bring back the natural length, even though it has been difficult. But yeah, I'm just gonna apply nail polish to just coat whatever disgusting mess is going on in my nails. But yeah, welcome to a new vlog. I hope you're gonna enjoy this week's vlog. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, as well as subscribe. So let's make my bed. Hello guys, let's cook dinner. On the menu today we have pap and chicken stew, chicken. Actually, it is actually chicken. Well, the initial plan was to cook fried rice with grilled chicken, but then I changed my mind because I really wanted to have like a side dish, but the reason why I decided to change the meal was that I don't have like we have run out of some of the items that will actually complete the side dishes. So I just opted, you know what, let me just have the basic pap and chicken. So yeah, guys, another thing, ne? My nephew is still outside at this hour and it's getting dark. Tarkan! Uyandun. Why not hotambisa muliro? Kanzura fasan bana TV. So yeah, guys, let's cook dinner. This is the mess. Yeah, this is the mess. So let's quickly clean up my bedroom and then, okay, I've already made my bed, but not in the tidiest way that I normally do. But yeah, I was running late today, so I just sort of like put everything together and just threw those blankets there because I just felt like since I was going out, you know, I was gonna come back later, and yeah, that's that. And then we just need to clean up that mess. My room is clean. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like here, the floor, it was very much clean. I mop every single day when I clean the house, so it's just that specific area that's dirty. So let's tidy up. Baby, that's all I can use to
stay my attention.